Hello friends, I'm going to show you how to install on Windows 10 a new font. There are two methods for this. One when you do not have a specific font, and the other one when you have the font downloaded. For the first method, just search on the Windows for Fonts Settings. On this page, press on Get More Fonts, and you will go to the Windows Store. On Windows Store, go to the font you would like and press Get. The font will be then installed. The second method is when you have already downloaded the font. For this, just go to the folder where you have the font. If it is an archive, unzip it. Right-click the font. You will see on the menu that you have the option to install. Click on it and the font should be installed. It's that easy. Thank you for watching and please thumbs up, share and subscribe. Bye bye!